Hello YouTubers, welcome to Warwell Sunshine Coast Model Railway channel. It's Warwell speaking. Thought I'd take this opportunity quickly to do an intro on this particular video. As you can see, there's a dirty, filthy Austerity looking at you there. It's a Bachmann model, and as you can see, it's been very heavily weathered. Very well done. I bought it off eBay for a good price, and it's DCC, and as you can hear hissing there, bubbling away, she's sound as well. Attached to her is no less than 7 of those Warwell wagons. 5 of them are the Southern Railway Oxford Rail ones, and 2 from the Hattons Warwells, and 2 of them have got tanks on. One's the Oxford Rail one's got the Sherman tank on it, and a bit further down, I'm just not sure what the tank is. It was built for me from an Airfix kit by my mate Steve up the road very kindly. He made his usual great job of it, and the other has got the steamroller attached to it. So I'm going to leave you there with that, and just tell you that my format for these videos is going to be the same as you see here. That's it. We have a few photographs of the class concerned from my photographic archive, including one in expert's condition, the 4th one along. So look out for that. And then comes the actual running, and then at the end of the video in future, we're going to, from my photographic archive of videos, I'm going to try and include either something of the class that we're looking at, or something unusual and very rare. In this case, you can see 10 seconds of Big Bertha. And Big Bertha, I'm sure a lot of you, those of my vintage, know that she was the 010 banker on the Lickey incline. A fantastic loco, very powerful, and she succumbed to the cutter's torch there in the late 50s, but this is some very, very rare footage. It's only 10 seconds, but it's worth seeing, believe me. Alright, that's all I've got to say, except to say thank you very much those that still support my channel. I'm very grateful, and I'm still here making them now and again, and I hope you will enjoy this one. There's quite long shots of the Austerity with those Warwell wagons as she goes around different parts of the layout. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you very much again, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.